Alright guys, so today we have our new to us, our 2004 Mustang GT, and we're throwing a P0357 code. After a little bit of research, it's the ignition coil on plugs going out. These are the original coils, so they have 117,000 miles on them, and did a little online research and we came up with the MSD coils. You know, they're going to look good with the red accents, and they're rated to provide the same reliability as the stock ones. So we're going to throw those on real quick, show you guys how to do it, and hopefully we get rid of the code. Alright, so the first step we have is taking off this cold air intake, this little J-pipe here, so we can access the coils. For my clamps, I have a 1/4 inch nut driver and a 5/16 nut driver. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so the next step is to remove the connectors from the harness to the coils, and then use your 7mm to take out the bolts that connect them to the block. So let's go ahead and do that now. It's just a little tab on the bottom of the connectors here, you pull up and it comes right off. So I have the passenger side coils out now, and here you can see our brand new MSD coils with the red accents on them. These are the Ford Blaster coil-on plugs, and you can see here what all they fit. And so we're going to go ahead and install these on the passenger side, take out the ones on the driver's side, and do the same thing. So here we have our first coil, and we're going to go ahead and slip it over the spark plug and reconnect all the bolts and connectors. Alright, now that we have our passenger side done, we're going to do it all over again on the driver's side. Alright, so now we're going to reinstall the intake, and then we'll see if the code is gone. So we just ran the car and the check engine light did come on. I did have a couple other codes, so we're gonna see if our P0357 came back. Turn on the key. And as you can see, there is no P0357. This code right here is the MAF code. Should be the MAF code. We're gonna replace that later, but it looks like our coils have worked. I'll keep you guys updated, and so far so good. Thanks for watching.